Hey guys, today I want to go over my 5 pantry essentials that I always keep on stock. So when I was brainstorming this list, I realized there's a lot of food that I always keep on stock that I consider essential. So down the road there will probably be a part 2 and part 3, but for now my top 5 begins with oats. I eat oatmeal almost every morning for breakfast, so oats are essential for me. If you don't eat breakfast or you don't know what to eat for breakfast, I highly recommend oats. I also use oats in different baking recipes for the most part, but that's number 1 on my list. Number 2 on my list is beans. I usually try to keep dried beans and canned beans in many different forms. I have tricolored beans, pinto, garbanzo, black beans. I use beans in a lot of different recipes, great source of protein and fiber. So I like to keep a lot on stock. I'm trying to use dried beans more, but usually canned is just so easy, I use that. But I highly recommend always having beans on stock. Number 3 on my list is rice. So brown rice is super easy to incorporate into lunches and dinners. I have it usually weekly. I prefer to buy either brown jasmine or brown basmati rice, kind of up to personal preference, but I always have it on hand because it's really easy to incorporate into meals. Number 4 on my list is ground flax. So as I said before, I always have oatmeal for breakfast and I always put ground flax in it. It's high in omega-3s and other vitamins and minerals. It's just really good for you nutritiously. I not only use it in my oatmeal but also as an egg replacement in baking, mixing it in water, letting it sit, and then putting it in the recipes. So I always have flax on hand. Last but not least, nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is very versatile. It's high in protein. It has a lot of B vitamins in it. I like the taste of it on popcorn, on top of chilies and soups. It's also a great cheese replacement if you're making like queso. It's very versatile and, like I said, has a really high nutritional content. So I always have nutritional yeast on hand as well.